Hello, fellow hair loss people. So today is day 105. It is my 15-week update that I'm doing today, and as you can see, it looks pretty good. So, looking in at my areas, what's cool is at this point, my native hair is now so long, it really truly does cover up my transplanted areas. So when it's like combed over, and this is how I normally wear my hair, every day it's getting tougher and tougher to tell that I have had a hair transplant. And I truly believe that new people that I'm meeting probably wouldn't be able to tell. You can still see though, you can see there's some harsh light coming in over here. The area does still look a little bit thin, especially on this side, the area does still look a little bit thin, but every day it's getting better. So looking in closer on my areas, you can see on this side, I have very substantial growth. Looking towards the back of this area, it's really tough to tell exactly the line where the transplanted hairs started and the native hairs are, just because they've kind of meshed pretty well. It is easier on this side. So this side, you can see the definitive line kind of right in here. And I do have some pretty strong growth now on the front. It is still lacking a little bit in this center area. Just no real density yet. But again, that's been my troublesome side since the start. I am feeling pretty good about it though. Every single day I feel like I wake up and it just looks better and better. I did post the other day, I ended up going to that wedding the other day, and it felt really good to be able to just not have to hide from photos, not have to take them from a certain way. I was able to just photograph however I wanted because I truly for the first time felt confident in how my hair looked. So that was just an awesome feeling. It just reassures that me going and getting a hair transplant has all been worth it. Because that feeling of not being insecure about how I look, not having to worry about getting photos taken a certain way, not worrying about wind hitting my hair a certain way and messing it up and looking bad, that's a pretty good feeling. So again, day 105, 15-week update, looking in, and then let's look at the back area. Back area is looking pretty good, and I actually will probably end up going in for another haircut coming up here pretty soon. I feel like it's long enough. I might do a little scissor trim just along the front. They do recommend waiting a couple months before cutting it at all. I've got a couple that are on the longer side, but we'll wait and see, and that'll probably be a game time decision. But again, this is my update. If you guys have any questions at all, please make sure to comment down below. Please make sure to like my content, and please make sure to subscribe for all future updates. Thank you.